currently watching Ben Mancha. Before we get into the video, Collection 1 Hype Beast, $5 off if you use code HYPE5. Link in the top of the description, so make sure you go cop Collection 1. So today's video is what I picked up from week 7. I picked up one item from week 7, actually 2 items. I got this item, and then I got this item on the drop on Thursday, and then I picked up something else on Friday, restock. So stay tuned for that. That'll be up either Saturday or Sunday. I didn't pick nothing up today for week 8. I just really didn't like anything that was dropping. The only thing that was dropping that was hype was the suitcases. We're paying $1,800 on a suitcase. So let's take a look at what I picked up from week 7. So here it is. Opening it up, make sure there's no invoice or nothing. There's probably not. You got the bag, Supreme bag, and that's it. Supreme bag. So Supreme bag. Let's open it up and see what I got. Come on, stickers. Let's take a look at the stickers first, because there's not really too many stickers, but 2 Supreme box logo stickers. That's all I got. You know, I have like 80 of these now. Oh, here it is. Take a look at it. Woo, let me see. So I got this Supreme glow stick. This is for sale. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or not. The bags, you know, I have a lot of these bags already, and we're only like 8 weeks into the season. Here it is, the Supreme LED mini glow stick. This is what I picked up from week 7. Let's see, LED mini glow stick, 60 hours, 1 minute, red LED. Details of this keychain, you got the little clip here. You got this little red, and then you got the Supreme box logo right there. This is perfect to clip on your backpack, anything like that. It's floats and replaceable batteries. Let's see how this works. So there it is, Supreme LED glow stick right here. This is what I picked up from week 7. And then how to shut it off, like so. There it is, Supreme box logo. That's all the hype right here. This retailed for $16. Not a bad deal for this. I'm selling this, so if you want it, let me know. Instagram DM me on Instagram, benmancha_, and you know, I'll probably sell this for 45 bucks. So let me know. So that's what I picked up from week 7. I have one more week 7 pickup coming really soon. Stay tuned for that. And remember, use code HYPE5, $5 off your order on Collection 1. Link in the top of the description. And I hope you liked the video, and if you did, make sure to like, comment, of course, subscribe, and remember, always create.